Good morning children, how are you all? So I think everyone is in good health. Already we are in food and health. I started with the deficiency diseases. I explained you deficiency diseases. Already I explained you deficiency means lack of food in your diet. Particular nutrient in your diet is called a deficiency disease. Lack of any nutrient, one or more nutrient in your diet is called deficiency disease. Already we explained you what is the disease takes place when you are not including the proteins in your diet. What is that disease? What happens to your body? The body growth will be stopped. Stunted growth you will see. Swelling on face, discoloration of hair. All this you have observed. And what are the sources? Soya beans are there, rajma, they are all pulses will have proteins. Chicken, egg take more. Isn't it? Carbohydrates. Growth stops. It is an energy giving food. Carbohydrate is an energy giving food. You have to add this in proper amount in your diet. Either chapati or rice you have to take. Isn't it? And fats. What is the fats also gives more energy than carbohydrate, but you have to take it in a limited amount. What I told you, excess of fat also is not at all good. Obesity will take place. Isn't it? Fat deposition will be there in our body and you will become obese, and that will be the cause of getting many diseases, serious diseases. So in appropriate amount you have to take the fats, oil, ghee, butter. These are the sources. Vitamin A, B, C, D, iron and calcium, phosphorus. Iron, calcium, phosphorus. These are the minerals. And vitamin A, B, C, D. These vitamins and minerals are called protective food. They protect our body from the diseases. We need a small amount, but very important to our body, which protect us from the diseases. Already I explained you. Now, vitamin A, lack of vitamin A, night blindness. Lack of vitamin D, which disease takes place? Beriberi. Bones becomes weak. Vitamin C, bleeding in gums. What is the disease called? Scurvy. Vitamin D, rickets. So these are the diseases takes place if you don't add the vitamins in your diet. Okay. Now iron. Iron is very important, very important. What are the sources of iron? You will get green leafy vegetables. Take more green leafy vegetables, apples, spinach. These are very important. These are the sources of iron. Calcium, phosphorus, improper development of the bones and teeth. Very important to keep your bones strong. Isn't it? Calcium and phosphorus. Take more. Iodine. What I told you, which disease takes place with the iodine? Here, goiter. The gland will be swells up. Isn't it? So you have to take strawberry and iodized salt. Add iodized salt in your diet. Now next coming to communicable and non-communicable diseases. Non-communicable diseases. Communicable and non-communicable diseases. Communicable and non-communicable diseases. See here, sometimes you have seen in your class only, the students are coming with this problem, cold and cough, measles. What is measles? Ammavaru, what you say in Telugu, isn't it? So what happens when you sit beside them, you also will get the disease. Isn't it? When you sit with them, you also will get the disease. So here, communicable diseases. Communicable diseases means the disease which transmit from sick person to healthy person is called a communicable disease. Or it is also called as an infectious disease or communicable diseases. Now here we are facing this problem at present. Pandemic, that is COVID-19 is a communicable disease, highly contagious disease. That's why doctors, everyone, what they are instructing us to cover our mouth with the mask, compulsory. We have to sanitize our hands, isn't it, to protect ourselves from the spread of that disease, isn't it? So here Communicable diseases, the diseases which is spread from person to person, are called communicable diseases or called infectious diseases, or they are also called contagious diseases. Another COVID-19, another strain came, isn't it, from Britain to here also. The people reached here in our state also. Still testings are going on. The government is waiting for getting their results. That is highly contagious, 70 times faster than COVID-19 previous. So we have to be more careful, isn't it? So here germs are present all around. So what are the communicable diseases which is spread from the person to person? Like cholera there, typhoid there, measles there, chicken pox. All these are the examples of communicable diseases. These are the examples of communicable diseases. So these diseases mainly spread through the germs. Germs are present. Germs are microscopic organisms which we cannot see with our naked eyes, isn't it? Germs are present everywhere. Germs, these are microscopic organisms which we cannot see with our eyes, isn't it? So these germs are present everywhere. The germs are present. They are present in air, water, food, etc. Isn't it? Air, water, food. So the germs enters into our body. How the germs enter in our body? Through nose and through mouth. That's why we are keeping the mask, to prevent the entry of germs into our body, isn't it? So here, they enter into our body through the nose or mouth, through air, water and food. They enter in our body, and also when you are in contact with the diseased person, you are in contact with the direct contact with the diseased person also. Understood? So now here, what are the diseases which is spread through air, water and food? Here, mode of spreading the disease. Spreading of the disease, direct contact. Direct contact means you are sitting together. You are talking with the face to face with your friends. You are sitting together, or you are using their clothes, their napkins you are using. This is what you call it, through direct contact. Like ringworm. This is a skin disease. This is a skin disease. You are sitting, or by touching with each other, the disease will be spread, or by using their clothes. Air. Through air. Common cold is there, flu is there, measles there, and now COVID also is there. These diseases are spread through air. These diseases are spread through air. Common cold, flu, measles, etc. This is spread through air. Okay? Next, come to food and water. Food and water diarrhea. And diarrhea also is a symptom for COVID, new COVID strain. Diarrhea also is a symptom. Diarrhea. Diarrhea is the jaundice. Diarrhea, jaundice, typhoid, cholera, etc. So here, food and water plays very important role. Whenever you have to take fresh food, or when after cooking the food, you have to cover it. Should not take roadside food which they kept open. Isn't it? Germs will settle on the food. In the same way, water also. Water, you have to drink the pure water and avoid contaminated water. Immediately after getting the water, we have to cover it with the lid, everyone know. Or if you are suffering with any cold, cough, or now we are suffering with we are facing this problem, COVID-19, we have to drink hot, lukewarm water to kill the germs. Very important is to kill the germs, we have to take the lukewarm water. isn't it? Water plays very important role. So we have to take the clean water, pure water, to avoid the waterborne diseases. Okay? Insects. We have to keep our, first of all, our house and surroundings clean, hygienic, very important. So malaria is there, which is spread through insect only, that is mosquito, yellow fever, plague, etc. These are the diseases spread through this. Damaged skin, tetanus, damaged skin, tetanus. So we have to take TT. Sometimes what happens, injuries takes place while playing also, injuries will take place, or iron, with iron the damage will be there in the skin. So to protect yourself, or you have to take the TT injection, you have to approach to the doctors to avoid this disease, tetanus. Thank you children, have a nice day.